designs. This week we're going to be creating nature mandalas. A nature mandala is some sort of artwork typically created from things you find in nature. So leaves, sticks, flowers, seeds, and you use these objects that you find around the garden or on nature walks to create a cool design. And then sometimes you can leave them there or kind of wipe them away and create something else. I'll give you guys permission to pick some of the leaves if you want. We want to make sure they're mature leaves and that you don't pick all the leaves off one plant. So this is a sweet potato plant or sweet potato vines, and there are tons of leaves. So I'm gonna maybe pick 4 leaves off, but I'm gonna make sure that I kind of spread out where I pick them from. Let's see here. So I have some leaves. You can also use flower petals or flowers. So I'm going to pick a couple of flowers. Ooh. So leaves are starting to fall. So I'm going to pick up some leaves. So I have some leaves. Ooh, this grass is kind of already down. Maybe I want a okra pod that maybe I'll crack open and use actually the seeds. And make sure if you are picking from the garden that you leave the little plants and the seedlings. You can kind of tell that the okra pod is bigger than the leaf, and even the plant itself. So if the okra pod is bigger than the plant, then I might ask you guys to kind of leave that plant so that it can continue to grow. So here we have some items that I collected from the garden, and now let's kind of create our design. So I think I want the yellow flower in the middle. Maybe I want some sage leaves to kind of go around. So I have my yellow Cosmo with some sage leaves around the edges, potato leaves, and so I have these little grasps, the heads of the grass, and I think I'm going to kind of place those in between the leaves. So let's see here. This one's still kind of attached. Maybe we use some of the petals. Petals are kind of flying. The wind, it's a windy day. So this is maybe a little bit of a struggle. It's circular shape. Let's see what else we can add to it. So this is the finished product. It's kind of windy, so things have kind of blown around a little bit. But I use sage leaves, Cosmo petals, the sweet potato leaves, and then some flower heads. And then I kind of outlined my mandala with okra pod. There it is. There's my garden nature mandala.